I was snacking on some cranberries the other day and thought, wait a second, if I take just one of these little berries, could I actually grow an entire cranberry plant from it? So, to find out the answer, I sliced open a few berries and shook them onto a paper towel. Next, I sprayed the paper towel until it was damp but not soaking wet, folded the towel and sealed it in a bag. That went straight into the fridge for 4 to 6 weeks to mimic winter conditions. After a few weeks of chilling, the seeds are finally ready for planting. I simply sprinkled them on top of some soil and watered thoroughly the first time to settle them in. Then, I placed the pot in a warm, sunny spot and waited. 2 weeks later, the seeds start to germinate. Day 100 of my cranberry experiment, and the seedlings are finally big enough to move into their own pots. Cranberries love acidic soil. Check the pH and adjust to around 5.5. Cranberries require little fertilizer. In early spring, use a small handful of fertilizer, such as NPK 5-10-10 will be sufficient. This is how the cranberries look like and after 4 months and the journey continues. Will these seedlings really grow into fruiting cranberry bushes? Stick around, I'll be sharing updates as they develop. Give me a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next video.